Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is summertime and the kids are home, so on this particular day we are going through the entire house and just tidying up what needs cleaned. So if you're interested, stick around. So I'm just starting out by throwing a load of laundry in using this Arm & Hammer sensitive skin detergent. And now just moving on to my master bath. I'm just tidying up each room in the house. I'm not doing a deep cleaning, so I'm just cleaning what needs to be cleaned. And real quickly, I'm just picking all the hair up off the floor with some toilet paper. This just saves time having to break out the vacuum cleaner or use a broom. My boys are really into video games, specifically Fortnite, and that's all they want to do. So I have a list of chores for them to do to get done before they can play any video games. This just teaches them responsibility and gives them motivation to get it done in order to play. And here is that list. I'm just wiping down all the surfaces with the same stuff that I used in the bathroom, this Method all-purpose cleaner.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Levi's excited to play, so here he's just asking what else can he do to help so that he can play.
I sink finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops counting nerves in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers never needing.
One of his daily chores is cleaning up his room, so his room wasn't too bad. I'm just helping out by dusting the furniture.
chasing whatever kills for so long.
And now moving on to the downstairs, I'm just cleaning the mirror and wiping down the sink in our powder room.
Tabletops counting eyes in the early hours, stone cold inside.
And I'm just using this Method antibacterial spray.
We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights gone. We wander all alone, but we can't deny the street light people.
My 4-year-old likes to come in this room and get all the game pieces out. And my older boys, goodness, he's making me laugh. My older boys end up having to always clean up after him. It's so hard getting my 4-year-old to cooperate and clean up. Every time I ask him to, he's like, I can't. Do you guys have any tips on getting your little ones to help clean? So as you can see, my husband finally finished building the big screen for our home theater room, and we actually decided on flooring as well. So our flooring is going to be replaced in the coming weeks, so stay tuned.
Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is. The endless journey, I need not worry. I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know
Can you say too much Fortnite?
where the heart is. Home's where the heart is.
Every time I turned around, this kid was dancing, so I give him a little tap.
so fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves.
Okay guys, we're getting near the end of the video. I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And to all those who have already subscribed, thank you so much.
Thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy sea.
Feels so good to have a clean home. Now I can relax and do my thing, and the boys can chill and play their video games. I hope you all are having a great summer so far, and stay tuned for more videos like this. See you guys in the next one. Bye.